Back out again. So I've just come to some woodland near Keighley, which is near Bradford, if people don't know, about 40-minute drive from me. So I've just got some kit that I wanted to try out. The Terra Pioneer Compact 2 and Sierra Designs Cloud Zero, I think it's called. Can either put it up in the garden and test it there, which isn't ideal because it's not that private and I have people walking past all the time asking if I'm camping and stuff, which gets a little bit irritating. I can come here, £5 a night, set everything up, have a fire and have a bit of privacy. So yeah, I'm just going to have a chilled out night, do a bit of cooking. I've got some wood, but you can as well collect dead wood here. Don't think I've brought my saw. Hopefully I have, but I'll manage. So yeah, just have a bit of food, couple of beers, chill out, and that's about it. See you in a bit. Right, so I've collected a bit of wood to go with the bit that I brought with me. There's loads lying around, so I should get a good long fire going today. Fire pit set up there. Everything's a bit of a mess at the moment, but I will get organised. So yeah, let's get this fire going.
Time for the main course. I'm having belly pork in a Chinese marinade. It's been marinating since yesterday. Can't wait. So I'll just let that fry, and then I'm going to add some pak choy. Is it pak choy? Bok choy? I don't know. Red pepper, spring onions, some chilli. Well, that's all the chores done. Chores. Tent and bed's all set up. Dinner's done and dusted. Beautiful that. So all I have to do now is keep the fire going. I've got enough wood for probably another couple of hours, and if I want to keep it going, I'll just go gather some more. There's plenty around. It's not the driest, but it is definitely dead. So yeah, finally sit back and enjoy a few beers. So I've got 4 Northern Monks. Not had this one before. Pumpkin spice latte porter. Must have been a Halloween thing, mustn't it? So yeah, I don't think I'll film very much now. Although it is going to be a long night, so maybe I will. Might get a bit bored and bore you as well. So yeah, might come back to you in a bit. If not, I'll probably wait till I get tucked into bed. fire's just about dying now. So I think it's about time to relocate to the tent and start getting warm in there. Temperature's definitely dropped. Oh, so yeah, I'm looking forward to getting in the tent, getting in the bag, getting the thermals on and just chilling out. It's about 9 o'clock. I could go collect more wood, but I'm thinking quite happy just to go get in the tent, get cosy in there.
We look like we're overplaying a little bit there. We nearly got caught out in we.
It is bitter. Thermometer's showing us 5 degrees Celsius, but it feels way colder than that. Anyway, down to last 2 beers, 2 Northern Monks, Heathen and a hazy IPA. So I'm just going to finish these, watch a bit of entertainment on the old iPad. I'll come back to you when I'm ready to go to bed, which is not far off now, to be fair. Right, well that's me to bed, looking like a complete crank. Anyway, warmed up now. This new quilt stroke a bag is doing its job. Keeping me nice and cosy. Good night, God bless. Good morning. It is a very cold morning. If I just look between the trees though, it looks like it's a beautiful day. Blue skies, clear blue skies, no rain. Yeah. Kind of winter's day that I think everybody enjoys. Just had a coffee. I'm in no rush to leave. Quite cosy here in my bag. Had a really nice sleep. So yeah, I think I'm just going around for a bit. Take it really nice and slow. There's no rush to get off this site. And what an amazing place this is, really. £5, got to be the best campsite I've ever stayed at. I say campsite, it isn't really a campsite. It's just a woodland where they let you camp. There's no facilities, there's a very basic toilet. And yeah, you just bring everything with you and obviously take everything with you. So yeah, absolutely incredible place. I'll definitely come back here again. Hainworth Wood near Keighley, probably about 5 minutes outside of Keighley Centre. There is another woodland place that you can camp. I won't name it, but that's £28. And if you want to have a fire, you've got to pay for a permit as well, which I think that's another 5 or 6. So yeah, not cheap. And I'll be honest, this one's better. No brainer. £5 versus 30 odd pounds. Yeah, this one every time. So anyway, I'll shut up prattling on. Finish this coffee and I'll speak to you on my way out. Leave no trace. I might as well just leave that fire pit for the next person. Right, well that's me back at the car. So yeah, ready for off and home. So if you've watched, as ever,
Thanks very much, well appreciated. See you on the next one.